In this example, we are given 3 consecutive terms of a GP that have a sum of 24.5 and a product of 343. So this is similar to the example what we did for AP earlier on during the last lesson. So now we have a natural tendency to write the 3 consecutive terms as A, AR, and AR squared. But we realize that because in this case, the product of the 3 terms are given to us as 343. So if we were to write it in a different way, okay, if we write it the 3 terms as B over R, B and BR, where R is a common ratio, B is a middle term, we realize that when we multiply the 3 terms together, the R cancels off nicely, okay, leaving us with just B cubed equals to 343. So that's the reason why we would choose to write the 3 terms like this instead of A, AR, and AR squared. So this one is not recommended. Okay, we can form the other equation by taking the sum of the 3 terms to be 24.5 and solve the 3 equations simultaneously. Now, while solving, we obtain 2 values of R, where R is half or R equals to 2. Since both the values are acceptable, so when R is equals to half, our sequence will be 14, 7, and 7 over 2. Okay, when R is equals to 2, then the 3 terms of the sequence will be 7 over 2, 7, and 14.